gonna try to get the house cleaned up. I'm going to film our Christmas home decor tour.
So I'm putting up for sale our Panasonic G85 camera that we have. We love our Panasonic cameras. We love our GH5, but our G85, we just feel like we want to sell it and maybe look at something else for our second camera. But we are going to be keeping our GH5, which is an extraordinary camera. Here's all the stuff for it. Comes with everything. I'm going to be throwing in a few extra battery packs that we got for it, which is going to be cool. But hey, if you have any camera recommendations that you have for us to check out that could replace our Panasonic G85, let us know in the comments. I'm headed downstairs to help Lisa make some Chinese food. I am so excited about it. So we're gonna be having, what are we having? Sweet and sour chicken. So we're having sweet and sour chicken, some of that fried rice, and beef and broccoli. Our Instapot right here, this beautiful creation that we can't live without anymore, cooks rice in 6 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna use our rice cooker, but we're wanting to eat our Chinese food soon, and the rice is what's gonna take the longest. But it only takes 6 minutes in the Instapot, so that makes everything so much better.
Well, the biggest bummer of all is I forgot to soak the rice.
Yeah.
I was gonna soak it overnight to help sprout it, but now we have it soaking here. We're not gonna get to soak it as long as we want, but.
Yeah.
Give him a lot of butter.
I will link all the recipes I am using below. They are all, well, all of them except one are gluten-free, and the one that's not gluten-free is the beef and broccoli, but I'm just substituting gluten-free flour instead of cornstarch.
Oh man, I tell you what though, them Zevias, especially this ginger root beer, that hits the spot. In fact, one time we made root beer floats with the ginger root beer from Zevia, and it was delicious. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do.
Why don't we do that again? I make the best homemade ice cream. Hey, let me know in the comments, do you want to see a recipe for homemade vanilla ice cream or pecan ice cream or mint chocolate chip ice cream? Anything you want, baby, I got it.
Trust me, you want it. It's so good. Oh, what's my favorite one?
Butter pecan.
Butter pecan. Oh
butter
my
pecan ice cream. Oh my
goodness.
gosh. Oh, it's vegan, dairy free, sugar free, sort of. Not really sugar free, but it's not
cane sugar.
No cane sugar. It does have some coconut sugar, 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar, and then the rest is stevia. It's delicious.
Oh, this is dangerous. I'm scared. Okay.
I'm gonna stick this right in that chicken right there. Oh, first try, baby, first try.
So the kitchen is a mess right now, but we got everything almost done. Our beef for the beef and broccoli is in there. This is the veggies for our fried rice. Got our broccoli for our beef and broccoli. Our sweet and sour chicken's in the oven, almost done. How's it taste? Here is our gluten-free Chinese food. Beef and broccoli, fried rice, sweet and sour chicken. How's it taste?
It's absolutely delicious. This is some of the best Chinese food I've ever had, and it was homemade.
And gluten-free. Woohoo!